Curious about the fuse box location in diagram for the 2018 GMC Terrain? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you locate and understand every fuse easily. Engine Compartment Fuse Box. The Engine Compartment Fuse Box in the 2018 GMC Terrain distributes and protects power for vital systems like the engine, transmission, fuel system, cooling fans, and exterior lighting. It ensures safe electrical flow for reliable vehicle operation. Instrument Panel Fuse Box. The Instrument Panel Fuse Box in the 2018 GMC Terrain powers and protects interior systems such as infotainment, climate control, power outlets, and driver assist features. It ensures safe and reliable operation of cabin electronics and convenience functions. Rear Compartment Fuse Box. The Rear Compartment Fuse Box in the 2019 GMC Terrain powers and safeguards rear area electrical functions. It manages circuits for components such as the liftgate, rear seats, auxiliary power outlets, trailer wiring, and rear lighting systems. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for the correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.